Okay, today we're just going to continue representing addition and subtraction problems. And in this one, this is going to be a base 10. They're using base 10 blocks to represent this. This is Ariana drew the model below. The model best represents. What does this model best represent? So we see we have some place value pieces. We have some hundreds, blocks, we have tens, we have a 1. I see that 100 has been taken away, crossed out, a 10 has been crossed out. This looks like some 1s have been crossed out. So taking away subtraction, all right. I have a total here. So my starting total was 200, 10, 20, 30, 1. 231 is what you have here all together if you took away the X's that are representing those pieces being gone. And then taken away looks like 100, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 115. Oops. That's what was taken away. So we started with 231, 115 were taken away. So that's what this model is representing. So let's look. 231 plus 115. We're not adding. If we were adding, you would see 115 more base 10 blocks. 231 minus 105. Well, they took away a whole 10. So they did not only take away 5 ones, they took away a whole 10. So that makes it wrong. That addition sign makes that one wrong. 116 plus 115. If we had 116 plus 115, you would have a group of 116, and then you would have a group of 115. And we don't see that here. 231 minus 115. I had a total of 231, and then crossed out or taken away was 115. So letter D is going to be your answer. You're going to practice something very similar to this on the next slide.